This video is sponsored by Milanote.
When we get there, we'll throw a big feast with pina coladas, hand in hand, not out of reach. Higher, yeah, we'll be lighter, happier, and much brighter.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have another behind the scenes video for you guys. It is finally springtime here in Calgary and we have a lot of blooming trees everywhere. So I decided to do a cute natural light golden hour photo shoot with a beautiful model, Courtney. This is the mood board I created for today's photo shoot. As you can see, I wanted to keep it quite simple and mostly focus on close-up portraits, incorporating some of the blooms in the images. You guys always ask me what program do I use to create these mood boards, and it is Milanote. They are also sponsoring today's video, so I'm super excited to tell you a little bit more about them. With Milanote, you can create beautiful professional-looking mood boards to both inspire you and set the creative direction for a photo shoot. Here, you can see several mood boards that I've put together for recent projects. Once you finish putting together your mood board, Milanote has so many amazing built-in templates to help you keep the rest of your photography business on track. One of my favorites is the call sheet. I use this one most often when I work with agencies or a bigger team. What's cool about it is not only you can share inspo pictures here, but also add things like notes for the model, time, date, and location of the photo shoot with a Google Map link, to-do list that will remind you if you haven't completed them yet, information about your team, links to stylist, designer, makeup artist, comments, and other fun features. One of my favorite features is the ability to let your clients or team comment on the mood board to get their feedback, which is so useful. There are so many ways to customize your boards and make them fit your personal brand. Milanote will definitely elevate your business and make an impression on any client. Or it can be a great outlet to get your creative juices flowing and plan out your next project. So if you're interested, Milanote is available for free with no time limit to sign up via the link in my description. For our first location, I chose this beautiful pink flower bush, and also I really like this place because there's a lot of trees in the background, so they will create some really nice blurry bokeh. Can you take just one more step into? Yeah, right there. Oh wow. Gorgeous. Wow. I'm gonna also now do like a more close-up. So just put that hand down. You can just have it like, no, or that, I like that, yeah. Yes. So here I'm actually going a little bit lower to get some bokeh. When I was editing these pictures, I was really struggling with the color toning, and I would love to hear your guys' opinion. The first picture is more cool and it is a little bit more contrasting. I think she stands out from the background here a lot better. And the second picture though, we're keeping more of those natural colors and it is a lot more warm, soft, and more spring-like in my opinion. I'm personally leaning more towards the second image, which is the warm one, but let me guys know which one would you choose. So you get a little bit more like into that, yes. Yes, that I love that pose, really beautiful. Oh yeah, what if you like grab it and like, bring it higher so I can see your knee? Yes, gorgeous.
To slow the ride, discover books I forget about.
The bokeh here is insane. What if you do it with both of your hands? You're like holding on. Yes, 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 yes.
Trying to get the hair out of
I know, and you're like in the branches. Yes. Just don't go too much like this. Yeah, exactly, because I still want to see your neck.
Maybe then I can relax. Maybe then I can relax. Bring my hair loose in my bed.
These next pictures I took with the unreleased RF 100mm 2.8 macro lens. I am currently working on a full video review of this lens, so that's coming up next week, but this can be like a little preview for you guys. I was taking some really close-up shots of Courtney, so to tie in that floral theme, I decided to put little tiny blooms in her hair. Oh, that is so pretty. I actually kind of like you did a little bit on the side, and yeah. Maybe chin down even more. Yes. That is very cute.
We were just children, acting like a doll. Crazy, naive, bold and carefree. We were kids having kids. Crazy, naive.
What if you look a little bit this way? Yes, but eyes on me. Just a little bit, just
in my mouth.
it's hiding now, the petals. It's like, I'll put it like right in here. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, it's so pretty.
I have no regrets, only forgets. Oh, a big thank you to life for giving us end. Oh, when the timing's right, there's no wasteland. Oh,
Yeah, what if you take just one more, yeah, right there. Yeah. Yes. The sun is coming out again slowly. Yes, oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. And so here, then with this hand grab like the dress here. Yeah, and just kind of like scrunch it up like a little bit higher like this. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Yeah, exactly. It's almost like you were like running away, you know? And you're like looking back at me. Yes, yes, you can definitely do like more hair flips, yeah. Yes, exactly.
it's cold. We were, yes, life goes on changing.
One thing that I'm always looking out for are these like archways that are done with the with trees and paths as well, because the path will always look really nice, make it look very 3D. Same with these trees, and they will create some really cool bokeh. So this spot, when I saw it, I was like, it's perfect. The only thing is that's not perfect is these guys right here, but that's very easy to add it out, so I'm not super worried about that. Yes.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Beauty. And do like the on the side kind of. Ooh, yes, I love that pose. That's really cool. 1 second, I just gotta. Yeah, you look out that way. Yes. Stay like that. I just gotta do a few different angles. So maybe do this, but with just a little bit less of leaning back. And more, so that's perfect here, but give me more like angle here. Yes. Yeah, less leaning, so chin more. Yes, exactly.
The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. Before the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
Ooh, you know what? What if you come like right here?
Okay, like around?
Yes. And I don't know if it's high enough for you to do something like this, like on the branch, you know, like with your arms. Yes. But a little bit higher, like where you're closer to the flowers.
Like over here?
Yes. Exactly. Yeah, that's actually beautiful. I love all the green. Like the dress matches the grass really nicely. It looks really pretty. Gorgeous. What if, can you maybe do something like almost laying like on the arm there? Yes, exactly. Yes, that's gorgeous. Love that. Love it. And now put both hands together. Yeah, yes, like that. Okay, that's gorgeous. Ooh, oh, that's a beautiful portrait. In the end, we changed into this crochet dress, and by this point we were just chasing the sun, getting the few last shots with the golden hour. What if you go even more kind of like on the side, kind of like very dreamy? Yes. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!